This is a Sheraton 4-poster field bed that I'm making now in maple. The original piece was probably built sometime around 1800, late 1790s perhaps. Style of Sheraton, and the original may be still in the San Diego Museum Fine Arts Gallery. And the tail posts have this section in the turning of 10 reeds that surround that bulbous section there. And I want to show how I made those reeds in SketchUp. And here is a part of that scan of a page in the book by Margon, Lester Margon, and I've traced over the post, and here's that area that is reeded, and the profile is shown here. And I have a copy of that profile over here in this scene. Here it is, just the simple profile without any reeds. And I'll go through the steps here. You want to make sure that this edge is totally welded, and I use that weld capability to if it is broken up in pieces, you can get it complete and continuous. And then I'll copy that edge, that outer edge, and move that copy 1/8 inch inside here, because I want to show the profile, the curved profile. So this would be the V-cut area, 1/8 inch deep. And now I will copy that profile and make an area that surrounds one bead. So since there are 10 reeds, 360 divided by 10 is 36. So I'll move a copy over 36 degrees. I'll type in 36, and here's the area that is bounded by one reed. And now I will make the profile of the reed, and using just the arc tool here, create an arc that has a 1/8 inch bulge. And there's the profile of a reed at the top of the section. And then I need that same profile down at the bottom. Create that face, and then use the arc tool and 1/8 inch bulge. Now I can delete this outer area here, and these edges then are the boundary of one reed. So how do I create the skin on that area? There's a plug-in, Curviloft plug-in. I get it in tools here, and here it is, Curviloft, and I'm going to use skin contours, and in this case I will just click on the 4 edges of the area that I want to be skinned. Click on that boundary down there, and then I click out in space, and then it works to skin it, and I click on that, and I click there to finish it and exit, and there's the one read in total. And that plug-in makes it a group, so I'm going to explode that group. I don't need that as a group. And so this is one read, and I need 10 reads around the circumference here. So I'll click that face and then use the rotate tool again and tap the control key, the option on Mac, and then move a copy over to the adjacent position, click it on that edge, on that intersection. That gives me 2 beads, or reads. Then I can type X9 and do the array. So there are 10 beads now, and that completes the reeded section of that turned post in the bed.